easy air fryer tuna patties only need 3 ingredients. They are low carb, high in protein, and absolutely the best way to turn boring and dry canned tuna into something delicious. To make these air fryer tuna patties, you will need a can of tuna. I always use the water packed tuna because you never know what oil they use in there. Scoop it all on the sieve and drain all the water. Once the tuna is drained, pour it into a bowl and leave it aside for a moment. Next, let's grate some cheese. I use about 1/2 cup of shredded cheese for 1 can of tuna. Cheddar works really well, but you can use whatever cheese you have. I have also tried mozzarella, Swiss, and even pepper jack, and they all work really well. Next, add 1 egg and a bit of Old Bay seafood seasoning or any other seasoning you like. Then, give everything a really good mix until it all comes together. You want the tuna, cheese, and egg to form a mixture that will hold its shape when you make the patties. Next, take your air fryer basket and line it with parchment paper. I always do this because it makes cleanup so much easier. Shape the mixture into patties and place them in the air fryer basket, leaving a bit of space between each one. If you have a small air fryer like my Ninja air fryer here, then you may have to cook them in batches. Air fry the patties at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. They are done when they look golden brown and feel firm when you touch them. These patties taste cheesy and savory, way better than plain canned tuna. They hold together really well, have a nice tender texture, and make a great high-protein snack with no carbs. If you like these air fryer tuna patties, then check out also my other air fryer fish cake recipe here that uses a bit different ingredients but makes eating canned tuna even more delicious and satisfying. Check it out now!